the world's most famous soda tastes exactly the same, whether opened in Marseille or Mumbai, Korea or Cairo. But the exact ingredients are a closely guarded secret. The story of this bestseller has been written about and even recreated on film. But despite origin movies like this one, the recipe remains one of the world's great mysteries. What we do know is that it was invented in 1886 by Atlanta chemist John Pemberton. And it once included vanilla, sugar, lemon juice and cola nut extract. Whatever the recipe, it's arguably the greatest consumer sensation of all time. And to meet unprecedented global demand, they don't have one factory, or even 50, they've got no less than 900 all over the world. Each one, like this facility in Atlanta, kitted out with the latest in cutting-edge automated technology. The first step in cola production is mixing the ingredients. The secret syrup arrives from a central mixing facility and is diluted with water. A sweetener is added and the flat, sweet liquid is pumped through to the production lines. Every day the plant uses 3.25 million aluminium cans. Each and every one a pressure vessel. They must withstand 90 psi, almost 3 times the pressure in a car tyre. First, the cans are flipped upside down for a blast of ionising air. They're now super clean and ready for filling, but the syrup is still a few million bubbles short of the finished article. And the gas that puts the fizz in fizzy drinks is carbon dioxide. A high-pressure carbonation machine dissolves the gas into the flat syrup, while cans are cooled to 5 degrees Celsius to stop CO2 fizzing over their tops. It's now a race to seal them before the mixture goes flat. So next they fold the lid inside the edge of each lid to form an airtight seal, which ensures a satisfying burst of bubbles when the wrinkle is popped. The numbers coming off these machines are staggering, 2,200 cans per minute. That's a bathtub of cola every 20 seconds. At this speed, some don't get filled to the brim. Any that don't measure up are thrown from the line. The humid Atlanta air can cause condensation to form on the cold cans. So they get a 34 degrees Celsius bath, followed by a thorough air drying. The result, warm, dry, condensation-free cans that won't turn their cardboard containers soggy. The final step is to distribute the drink all around the world. They don't load them on planes and ships for long-haul journeys. As Brian Kelly explains, they've simply built factories all over the planet.